Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from SafePal wallet to bank account. So before you start, make sure you have all prerequisites ready. This includes linking your bank account and ensuring sufficient balance in your SafePal wallet. Step 1. Open your SafePal wallet app. Ensure you are logged into your account to proceed. Step 2. Navigate to the asset section of your wallet to view your available cryptocurrencies. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Make sure it's supported for bank transfers. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal process by clicking the withdrawal button. Step 5. Enter your bank account details accurately to ensure successful transfer. Step 6. Confirm and review the transaction details carefully before finalizing the withdrawal. Step 7. Complete the withdrawal process and don't forget to check the transaction status for any updates. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.